Progress is built one step at a time.
Most people fail because they try to change everything overnight. They want instant transformation. But rebuilding doesn't work like that. When I had to rebuild my life, it started small. Cooking meals, reading more, making better decisions, showing up consistently. Nothing dramatic, just small steps. And those small steps changed everything. At POP, progress means movement, not perfection. You need to fix your whole life today. You need one better decision, one workout, one honest conversation, one healthier habit, one action. Because small progress compounds over time. So if you feel overwhelmed right now, stop trying to rebuild everything at once. Just take one step. That's how people rebuild their lives. If you want accountability while rebuilding, join us inside POP. Link is in the description. Stay positive, stay accountable, mindset rebuilders.
I tried back when I thought I couldn't make it back. I tried